Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to create a very first HTML page with the title inside head section, and there will be only 2 lines of code inside the body section with heading h1 and a paragraph. So let's start. First let me define you what we see on the screen is this is the editor section in which I will type all the coding, and alongside is the preview section. So whatever I will code over here, we will have the preview over the right hand side. So let's start. First of all, we have to define the doc type. This will tell the browser that our document is of an HTML type. Next we will open the HTML tag. Okay, with these 3 lines of code there will be no changes in the preview section because these lines will only tell the browser that our document is of an HTML type. So next we will open the body tag, okay, head tag, and inside the head I will set the title. So let's say my title is my first page. So what changes we see on the preview is this is the title, and in preview section this is the title my first page. So next we will open the body tag, and let me tell you our body section is all that portion. This is the body of the page. Okay, we will say in the body section is we will open a heading tag h1, and let's say we type hello world. So inside the body section we have hello world, and the next line of code will be the paragraph. Open the paragraph tab, and let's say I type my first web page. So this is the HTML code, and this is the preview of what we have coded for HTML page. So basically 3 lines of code. One is the title, then the heading, and in the last it is the paragraph, and all 3 changes we can see alongside is these. So this is it. Keep in touch for the future videos, and we will grow from the very basics to the advanced websites. Okay, thank you.